G'day guys, how are we going? We're just heading away again for another couple of days, and this trip's going to start right here at Moscow Villa Hut. Now, Moscow Villa Hut is a very iconic hut in the Victorian High Country. It's located sort of about 18 to 20 k's just out of the tiny town of Enze. Enze is a little town just between Omeo and Bruthen down here in East Gippsland. Now this is well worth coming to check it out, but you've got to think about the name, Moscow Villa. How does that get its name for a high country hut? Well, come around the corner here and we'll go through it. Righto, Moscow Villa. Now this hut was built by Thomas William Bill A. Chow. Now he was a Chinese Australian soldier, a farmer and a legendary bushman for this area down here in East Gippsland in Victoria. And he built this Moscow Villa hut back in January of 1942. And this is how the name comes about. It's my own summer cottage officially welcomes visitors inside light luncheon available. What a name. Fantastic name. I don't know sure if I'm going to get light luncheon today when I get inside, but that's how the name of Moscow Villa comes about. Let's go inside and see if there's a light luncheon available. See how we go. Check this out. Magnificent. What a hut. Sensational.
The hut initially had an iron chimney and it was later replaced in 1975 by a larger one made from local stone.
Fantastic construction, magnificent. What a great hut. Righto, what a great hut that was. Dropping into Moscow Villa Hut. Sensational. Righto, going to camp tonight up on Nunniong High Plains tonight. Haven't been up through here at all, so it's the first time I've seen Moscow Villa Hut. This is really good seeing some new country. Head up on Nunniong High Plains tonight and looking for somewhere to camp up there. Let's go. What a great day. Weather's amazing. Let's go. This is camp for the night. Beautiful spot here, nice big grassy open area. Under the trees here, snowies, up fairly high in the altitude here, so this will be a great spot. Magnificent. Nice spot here under the trees, I reckon. Fire pit there. Gin. Even lashed out this time, even bought ice. Have a look at this, ice blocks and all. Bit of lemon. Tonic. What a magnificent spot this is. Cheers, time to sit back and enjoy the serenity. Beautiful spot here right on Timburra Creek, little creek running around in the back here. We'll have one more, then we'll get some fire going, I reckon. These are just a beautiful drop, really nice. Bit of ice. Bit of tonic. Righto, time to get a bit of dinner going. Bit of steak tonight. Char grilled straight on this magnificent fire I've got. Get some steak on the go. Look at that. Wait till I flip that over and then I'll get some garlic on it. Get some garlic going on it. Absolutely beautiful. Get some heat going in the fry pan. And a bit of garlic to go in it. Oh, God, that smell. A few people have been a bit concerned about having used garlic in the last couple of videos. Well, it's back with a vengeance. Let me give you the drum. Oh, I love it. How good is garlic? It's just an amazing flavoured thing. So go in there. Beautiful. And corn. Go on there. Oh, look at that. Can't beat. Yeah, you just can't beat cooking on the open fire. Turn this steak over, see how that's going. I reckon it's going to be pretty alright. Oh, look at that. Righto, time to get some garlic on that. How good is that? Campfire cooking at its best. You get anything, you just can't beat it. The flavours that come out of it between the fire and plenty of garlic. This is going to taste amazing. That's all ready to go. Have a go at that. Asparagus in garlic. Some chips in garlic. Absolutely love it. Look at that. And then down here, a bit of corn. Then a nice bit of steak. Again, smothered in garlic. Have a look at that. What an amazing meal that is. Well, I'm going to get into it now, I reckon, because this is just fantastic. Smells amazing. Well, let's get it. Oh, have a go at that. Garlic chips, sensational. Beautiful bit of steak. Oh. There's the birds going there. Well, what a magnificent time of night this is. Sitting back after a beautiful dinner like that, covered in everything covered in garlic, just tasted amazing. Campfire, coldie on the go, magnificent night. Not even a breath of wind here. So I'm going to kick back, enjoy the rest of the night, get a bit more wood on that bit later on down the track. Until then, guys, I'll see you bright and early in the morning for a cuppa. Catch you then. Thanks very much. See you later on. Righto. Morning cuppa time again. Oh. Morning guys, how we going? Pretty fresh morning, another beautiful morning though. Again, not another cloud in the sky, no wind. Even the birds are up nice and early this morning, chirping away, carrying on. What a beautiful day. We'll get a cuppa going and then look at a bit of breakfast a bit later on. Oh, magnificent spot here, beautiful. Righto, it sounds like I might be boiling, I reckon. Go and get some tea. Swinging. Sit a bit longer, right up, nice a bit stronger. What a top day. Righto, morning cuppa. Oh, the colour of that, beautiful. There's the birds, they're unreal. So peaceful, quiet, just the birds. Magnificent. Time to get some brekkie going. Pretty much the only thing to be going on here is we all know what that's going to be, especially when the frying pan and the oil comes out. Bacon and eggs. How good's that? Good old trusty trowel. Big thick piece. Oh, guess for that. Bacon and eggs, cup on the go, on the fire. Way to start the day. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Push the bacon aside, we just get a couple of eggs on the go. And get another one. Toast on the go. Turkish bread, right on the fire. Beautiful. Right, let's have a look. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah. Nice. Cooking on a campfire, you just can't beat it. Great way to start the day. Cuppa, bacon and eggs. Beautiful day. Just stunning. How's that to start the day? Magpies singing, bacon egg sandwich. Well, I'm just going to finish enjoying this beautiful egg and bacon sandwich that I've just made right here on the campfire. Hope you've enjoyed this trip, guys, and see Moscow Villa Hut there for the first time. What a great hut that is. Been on my bucket list to go and see that one for quite some time, and then camp up here under the snow gums. Absolutely beautiful spot, and fair chance I'll see you guys on the next one. Catch you later on.